Hare Krishna. Today we are going to make sweet and tangy mango pickle. Some people call it aam ki lonji, some people call it gudamma, and some may call it galka. To begin with, here I have taken 3 raw mangoes. These mangoes are still hard and not ripened yet. So these are exactly the mangoes we need for this pickle. So first of all, we'll start peeling the skin of the mangoes, and these mangoes are ready. Now we'll slice the mangoes. We don't need very big chunks of mangoes because here I'm going to make a chutney sort of, more of a slurry kind of pickle. So I have cut into small pieces. Now take a kadhai or a pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil will add more flavor to this chutney. And here I've added half a tablespoon of asafoetida and half a tablespoon of turmeric, hing and haldi, and adding half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, and the most important, half tablespoon of kalonji seeds. Adding kalonji, mustard oil and asafoetida will give a nice flavor, a achari flavor to this pickle or a chutney we are making. Now stir for a while and add the cut slices of the mangoes. Stir it nicely for a while so that the slices get nicely coated with the masalas that we have made. Now you can add salt as per your taste. Now at this point I am adding 1 cup of water so that the mangoes get cooked nicely. If one wants their pickle to be more of a chunky big slices, so this much water will suffice, but here I am making more of a chutney kind of pickle, so I'm adding 1 more cup of water. Here I am adding half a tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirch. This will give more nice color to the pickle. And closing the lid for 10 minutes, and now I'm going to check whether these mango slices have cooked nicely or not. So I've taken out 1 piece and checked it with my knife, and yes, it has cooked. So it's almost ready, but last but not the least, here I'm adding the jaggery powder. You can add 1 or 2 cup of jaggery powder and mix it, stir it for a while, and then let it cook for some time, let's say 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes I've added black salt and then let it cook for some more time. And after a while I can see that the consistency has become more thick. And the pickle is ready. I'm switching off the flame and going to keep it on the shelf so that it cools down before we serve it. So before serving it to anyone else, we have a tradition in home to serve first of all to Lord. So here I am preparing to serve the Lord the pickle that I have made. I have this separate bowl in which I am going to serve the Lord. And when you have to serve the Lord Shri Krishna, you have to add tulsi leaf. Once you offer any food to Lord Shri Krishna, it becomes prasadam, and I want my whole pickle to become prasadam. So here I am adding the remnants of Lord Shri Krishna into the kadhai, and the whole of the pickle becomes now prasadam. So once it cools down, you can add it into a jar, a glass jar, and now the shelf life of this pickle will be around 2 to 3 months. Store this bottle into your fridge and take it out whenever you need it. You can serve it with the parathas and pooris or even with the dal chawal. Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hare Krishna.